Hello students, in the previous video we did first 5 questions of exercise 8.2. Today we'll continue with exercise 8.2. Okay, the first 5 questions were very important. The remaining questions are a little typical questions. You need to watch the video 2-3 times to understand these questions. Solve them 2-3 times. I'm going to give you homework also, because the more the number of times you solve, you will remember it properly. Okay, so the sixth question, we'll start with the sixth one. The question says toffees were brought at 8 for rupees 15, means 8 toffees were bought for rupees 15. Okay, so the cost price of one toffee, see 8 toffees 15 rupees की थी. ओके, सो एक टॉफी कितने रुपए की होगी? 15/8. ओके, CP ऑफ वन टॉफी, एंड देन इट सोल्ड फॉर 12 for rupees 18. So 12 toffees sold for rupees 18, means SP of one toffee is 18/12. That is 2s are 3s are 3/2. This is the selling price. This is the cost price. Okay. Now they are asking us what is the profit or the loss percent. So first of all, we'll have to find whether it is profit or loss. Okay. 8.26 sum. So if you see in this case, it is loss here. See, I'll tell you how. What is the formula for loss? Loss is SP minus CP. Okay, SP is 3/2 minus CP is 15/8. Loss is SP minus CP. In the last video I gave you all the formulas. Learn those formulas thoroughly. Okay, now take the LCM here. So this is 2 and this is 8. So multiply this by 4. 4 3s are 12. 12/8 minus 15/8. That is 12. Sorry, here we have made a mistake. Loss is CP minus SP. I'll just do this part again. Loss is CP minus SP. See how I came to know there was some mistake, because I was getting 12 minus 15, a negative answer. Negative answer नहीं आता, तो इसका मतलब फॉर्मूला उल्टा यूज किया था. SP minus CP. It is actually CP minus SP. For loss it is CP minus SP. So CP is 15/8 minus SP is 3/2. Multiply this by 4. So you will get 15/8 minus 12/8. That is 15 minus 12/8, which is 3/8. So this is the loss. Loss is 3/8. We have to find the loss percent. Loss percent is loss upon CP into 100. So what is the loss in this case? 3/8. What is the CP in the question? CP is 15/8. Okay, into 100. So how to solve this? 8 will get cancelled. You will get 3/15 into 100. 3 1s are 3 5s are 5 1s are 5 20s are. So loss is 20%. Understood? Pause the video and copy the sum. Next, you can pause the video and copy the sum. Okay, I will keep doing it. Rajesh bought a scooter for rupees 21,000 So scooter was bought for rupees 21,000. He sold it to Umesh. See, this is Rajesh. R means Rajesh. Okay. He bought the scooter for rupees 21,000 and sold it to Umesh at a loss of 5%. Okay. So Rajesh sold it to Umesh at a loss of 5%. Umesh spent 2450 on repairs. So he spent 2450 on repairs and sold the scooter to Praveen. So Umesh sold the scooter to Praveen at a profit of 8%. How much did Praveen pay for the scooter? So इसमें दो बड़े steps है, ठीक है? So we'll have to use two formulas here now. First of all, Rajesh. So राजेश ने कितने में खरीदा? 21,000. So for Rajesh, CP is 21,000. Okay, loss is 5%. So we can find the SP. How can I find the SP? I know the formula. SP upon CP is 100 minus loss percent upon 100. Okay, so this is 100 minus loss percent is 5 upon 100. SP upon CP is 2100. Okay, solve this. This will become 95 upon 100. This 2100 will go here and get multiplied. Okay, 0 0 cancel. You will have to multiply 95 into 21. That is 1995. Here there is one more 0. This is 21,000. Okay, 21,000. So this will become 19950. This was the selling price. Means राजेश ने उमेश को कितने में सेल किया स्कूटर? 19950 में. ओके, अब उमेश ने इतने में खरीदा. ओके, करेक्ट. जो राजेश ने जितने में सेल किया उतने में उमेश ने खरीदा है. करेक्ट. सो फॉर उमेश द सीपी इज, उसने 1950 में खरीदा. ओके, प्लस उसने कुछ रिपेयरिंग का कॉस्ट किया. ओके, 2450 रुपीज रिपेयरिंग में खर्च किए. दैट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स इन कॉस्ट प्राइस. वॉट एवर रिपेयरिंग यू मेक और ट्रांसपोर्ट चार्जेस, रिपेयरिंग, एनीथिंग, ऑल दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो इसको ऐड करो. दिस विल बिकम 22400. सो दिस इज द टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस फॉर उमेश. ओके, सी आई विल राइट हियर एंड एक्सप्लेन यू. राजेश के पास कितने में लिया था? 21,000 में. उसने सेल किया उमेश को 19950 में. ओके, उमेश ने खर्चा किया 2450 का. सो इसमें ऐड हो जाएगा. एंड ही सोल्ड इट. उसका कॉस्ट प्राइस हो गया टोटल 24450. उस पे उसने प्रॉफिट ऐड किया एंड लास्ट में बेचा. ओके, सो लेट्स सी कि उसने कितने में सेल किया. ये तो कॉस्ट प्राइस है उमेश का. And the profit he made is 8%. So let's find the SP of Umesh. So again the formula is SP upon CP is 100 plus P upon 100. So SP upon CP is 2440 equals 100 plus 8 upon 100. That is 108 upon 100. This 22400 will come here. 0 0 cancel. Multiply this. When you multiply this, you will get the answer as 24192. This is the selling price of Umesh. Selling price of Umesh means whom did Umesh sell it to? Umesh sell it to Praveen. Therefore, Praveen paid 24192 for the scooter. Write this final answer. Okay, Praveen paid 24,192 for the scooter. Okay, copy this sum. Draw this also if you want. Pause and copy. It's sum. A trader purchases coffee at a rate of 350 per kg and mixes it with chicory at a rate of 70 per kg. Means there are two things, coffee and chicory. Okay, coffee का price क्या है? 350 rupees per kg and chicory is 70 rupees per kg and mixes them in the ratio 5:3. 5:3 means जो quantity है, quantity ratio is 5:2 actually. Yes, 5:2. Quantity ratio is 5:2. So let coffee quantity be 5x and chicory quantity be 2x. See, जब भी रेशियो होता है 5:2 we always take x common multiple. So 5 कॉफ़ी था और 2 चिकोरी means 5x कॉफ़ी and 2x चिकोरी. These are the quantities. Means उसने 5x kgs कॉफ़ी लिया है and 2x kgs चिकोरी लिया है. Okay. So total क्वांटिटी, सी उसने 5x कॉफ़ी लिया एंड 2x चिकोरी लिया. सो टोटल क्वांटिटी इज 5x प्लस 2x, दैट इज 7x क्वांटिटी है. ओके, नाउ कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ कॉफ़ी 350 रुपीज़ 1 kg का प्राइस है. ठीक है, एंड टोटल कितना कॉफ़ी बाय किया? 5x. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ कॉफ़ी इज 350 इंटू 5x. That is 1750x. Then CP of chicory 70 रुपीज़ पर kg है और क्वांटिटी क्या है? 2x. So 70 into 2x, that is 140x. So CP of coffee, CP of coffee. So total CP is 1570x plus 140x, that is 1890x. Now this is the total CP. Now let's find total SP. Total SP means total कितना kg उसके पास है, total quantity क्या है? 7x. ठीक है, and in the question if you see they have said he sells the mixture at a rate of 300 rupees per kg. So sell कितने में किया है? 1 kg 300 rupees and total कितने kgs है? 7x. So SP is 2100 into 7x. Sorry, 300 into 7x, that is 2100x. So देखो, selling price 2100x, cost price 1890x. That means profit क्या होता है? Profit is SP minus CP. Correct? That is 210x. जब इसको subtract करोगे you will get 210x. Then you find the profit percent. That is profit upon CP into 100. So profit is 210x upon CP is 1890 into 100. 0 0 cancel. When you do the division, you will get the answer as 11.11%. Profit percentage 11.11%. Okay. Ninth sum. Again, this sum has two selling price and two cost price. Two selling price and two cost price. See, Mahesh sells an iron and flask. दो चीजें हैं, ठीक है. He sells an iron for ₹1232 and earns a profit of 12%. Okay, we don't know the cost price. Then by selling the flask for the same amount, so he sells the flask for also 1232, but this time he gets a loss of 12%. Okay, see, फ्लास्क की कॉस्ट जो है वो अराउंड 12,032 से ज़्यादा होगी, ठीक है, इसीलिए इतने पे बेचने पे लॉस हो रहा है. एंड जो आयन की प्राइस होगी इट विल बी लेस देन 12,032 सो दैट उसको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ बोथ द आर्टिकल्स. ओके, हाउ टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस? दिस फॉर्मूला SP अपॉन CP is 100 plus profit upon 100. For profit, this is the formula. So SP is 1232 upon CP equals 100 plus 12 upon 100. Okay. Multiply this. This CP यहाँ हुआ is equals to 1112. CP here and 1112 will come here. When you divide this, 1s are 11s are. This will get cancelled by 11. So you will get 1100 as the CP of iron. Okay. Similarly, find the CP of flask. 100, this is loss na, so 100 minus loss upon 100. SP is 1232 upon CP equals 100 minus 12 upon 100. This is 88 upon 100. Multiply it, 1323 into 100 equals 88. करेक्ट, ये 100 यहाँ गया. अब ये CP यहाँ जाएगा, 88 यहाँ पे आएगा. एक्सचेंज देम. CP. Now divide this. Divide 1232 with 88. 88 ones are 88 14s are. So you will get the value of CP as 1400. CP of flask. Okay. So CP of iron, CP of flask. So अभी CP of flask मिल गया, CP of iron मिल गया. So total CP मिल जाएगा. हमेशा टोटल CP और टोटल SP फाइंड करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. टोटल CP is 1100 plus 1400. Okay. So this is 2500. And total SP is this first SP plus second SP. Okay. So both selling price are same, 1232 plus 1232. You will get it as 2464. If you observe carefully, cost price 2500 है, selling price 2464. मीन सेलिंग प्राइस कम है कॉस्ट प्राइस से, इसका मतलब लॉस हुआ है. करेक्ट. सो देयर इज अ लॉस. लॉस इज CP minus SP, that is 2500 minus 2464. that is 36. Loss is 36 rupees. Okay, and I think we have to find the loss percent. Loss percent is loss percentage loss upon CP into 100. What is the loss here? Loss 36 rupees का है. CP is 2500 into 100. When you divide 36 upon 25, you will get 1.44%. This is your answer. First copy this, then do this, then this. Pause the video and copy it. I'm not going to wait. Tenth sum. Sumit bought a plot of land for rupees 2250. Total plot was 225000. He sold 1/3 at a loss of 8%. 1/3 of the land, मतलब इसका 1/3. So 1/3 क्या होगा? 1/3, that is 75,000. Okay. So 1/3 land he sold. So this is 1/3 land at a loss of 8%. Okay. So जो 1/3 land जिसकी कॉस्ट प्राइस था 75,000. ओके, 75,000 का लैंड उसने 8% लॉस में बेच दिया. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स कॉस्ट प्राइस वॉज 75,000 ऑफ 1/3 लैंड and loss was 8%. So let's find the selling price. 100 minus loss upon 100. Wherever there is loss, you have to put minus sign. So selling price is 100 minus 8 upon 100, and cost price is 75,000. This 75,000 will go here and get multiplied. So 100 minus 8, 92 into 75,000 upon 100. Okay. 0, 0 cancel. When you multiply this, you will get 69,000 as the selling price. Okay. Now कितना लॉस हो गया? 75,000 69,000 में बेचा. 75,000 की चीज़ 69,000 में बेच दी, मतलब लॉस कितना हुआ? लॉस इज 75,000 minus 69,000, that is 6,000. कितने का लॉस हुआ? 6,000. Now they have told if he wants overall profit of 12%. 12% का ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट चाहिए. ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट मीन्स इस पूरे पैसे पे 12% का प्रॉफिट चाहिए. सो 22500 इस पे 12% का प्रॉफिट मीन्स आई विल राइट हियर ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट 12%. So 12% of 22500. So this answer is 2700. इतने का प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए. ओके, ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट कितना होना चाहिए? 2,700 रुपीज़ का. ओके, बट यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन में ही ये जो 1/3 प्लॉट था इसी में 6,000 का लॉस हो गया। ओके, अगर आपको प्रॉफिट बनाना है तो पहले लॉस कवर करना है एंड देन प्रॉफिट आना चाहिए। देयर इज वन मोर जीरो हियर, सॉरी 27,000 ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए। ओके, ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट 27,000 चाहिए, बट यहाँ पे 6,000 का लॉस है, इसको भी कवर करना है और उसके ऊपर 27,000 प्रॉफिट चाहिए। मीन्स ओवरऑल, सो टोटल प्रॉफिट ही नीड्स, कितना प्रॉफिट बनाना पड़ेगा? टोटल प्रॉफिट ऑन 2/3 लैंड कितना चाहिए? 27,000 तो ओवरऑल चाहिए, प्लस ये 6,000 जो लॉस हुआ है उसको भी कवर करना है। सो टोटल प्रॉफिट कितना चाहिए? 33,000। ओके, 33,000 टोटल प्रॉफिट चाहिए। ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द सीपी ऑफ 2/3 लैंड? 2/3 लैंड का सीपी इज 2/3 इंटू 22500। ये टोटल कॉस्ट है, टोटल कॉस्ट को 2/3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो यू विल गेट सीपी ऑफ 2/3 लैंड। ओके, सो दिस इज द सीपी, दिस इज द प्रॉफिट। सो देखते परसेंट कितना है प्रॉफिट परसेंट। प्रॉफिट परसेंट इज प्रॉफिट अपॉन सीपी इंटू 100। सो दिस इज 33,000 upon 1.5 lakh into 100. If you see the calculation, you will get the answer as 22%. Okay, so क्या किया हमने? लैंड्स को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया था। ये 1/3 लैंड था जिसपे 8% लॉस था। ओके, सो 8% लॉस मीन्स सेलिंग प्राइस इतना था। ओके, 75,000 का लैंड 69,000 में बेचा, मीन्स 6,000 का लॉस हुआ। ओके, नाउ दिस लॉस 6,000 loss and overall profit required is 12%. So 12% of overall value is 27,000. So 27,000 प्रॉफिट चाहिए प्लस 6,000 लॉस भी रिकवर करना है। सो टोटल 33,000 रिकवर करना है। ओके, और अब कितना लैंड बाकी है बेचना? 2/3 लैंड इज लेफ्ट, 1/3 ऑलरेडी बेच दिया, सो 2/3 इज लेफ्ट। 2/3 ऑफ दिस इज 1.5 lakhs। इस 1.5 lakhs पे प्रॉफिट चाहिए 33,000। So what is the profit percent? Profit upon CP 33,000 upon 1.5 lakhs into 100. This is how you get 22%. Okay. Question 11. The 11th sum is same as the 9th sum. Same as the 9th sum which we did today, exactly same. Okay, so with the same steps solve this sum and send me the solution. Okay, now the 12th sum. During the festive season, a shop offered a discount of 20% on the marked price of all items. Find the selling price of two trousers marked at 1,900 each and 3 shirts marked at 760 rupees each. So what is told in the question that mark price of trousers is 1900. ओके, 1900 के दो ट्राउजर्स है, 1900 ईच। ठीक है, दो ट्राउजर्स लिए एंड टी शर्ट्स आर 760 रुपीज ईच, पर 3 शर्ट्स लिए हैं 760 रुपीज ईच, और इस पूरे बिल पे 20% का डिस्काउंट मिला है। सो व्हाट इज द प्राइस ही पेड? ओके, सो पहले तो मार्क प्राइस फाइंड कर लेते हैं। मार्क प्राइस मीन्स जो प्रिंटेड प्राइस होती है। सो ट्राउजर्स पे प्रिंटेड है 1900, शर्ट्स पे प्रिंटेड है 7600। सो टोटल इतनी शॉपिंग की है, सो टोटल प्राइस क्या होगा? टोटल मार्क प्राइस विल बी 1900 plus 1900 plus 760 plus 760 plus 760. Correct? Do this calculation. You will get the answer as 6,080 rupees. Okay, this is the total mark price. Now on this mark price, discount कितना मिला है? 20% का. So let's calculate the discount value. डिस्काउंट इज 20%, so इसका 20%. Okay, 0 0 cancel. You will see that the value of discount is 608 into 2, that is 1216. This is the value of discount. And then so the selling price, कितने का डिस्काउंट मिला? 1216 रुपीज़ का. तो एक्चुअली कितने में होगा? जो बिल था आपका 6080, उसमें से डिस्काउंट माइनस हो जाएगा. करेक्ट. सो दिस डिस्काउंट विल गेट सबट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम 6080 and the answer you will get is 4864 rupees. This is the selling price of 2 trousers and 3 shirts. Okay. Copy the sum. Next, 13th sum. Now for this sum, I will give you one formula. Add this in the list of formulas which I gave you in the first part before starting the exercise. Add this formula. SP upon MP equals 100 minus discount percent upon 100. Okay, this is a new formula. This formula is not there in textbook also, but it will make the sum very easy. Okay, so copy this formula with that list of formulas already given to you. Okay, now in the question they are saying the retailer wants to get a profit of 10%. Okay, after giving a discount of, so उसे profit कितना चाहिए? 10%. Okay, and discount कितना देना है? 12.5%. Okay, what should be the mark price of an article whose cost price is 1470? So cost price is given as 1470. First, using the cost price, we'll find the selling price. Okay, what is the formula? SP upon CP. Not using this formula first. पहले SP ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Then I can find MP. Okay, so this formula is 100 plus profit upon 100. Okay, so SP upon CP is 1470 equals 100 plus profit is 10%. Okay, so 100 plus 10, 110. Okay, then just I'll complete this step here. 1470 will go here. Okay, so SP is 110 into 100 into 1470. Okay, 0 0 cancel. 147 into 11. 147 into 11. You will get the answer as 1617. The SP. Okay, so you will get the SP as 1617. Now we'll find the MP using this formula. 100 minus discount upon 100. Okay, so selling price is 1617 upon mark price equals 100 minus 12.5 upon 100. Okay, so 1617 upon MP. When you subtract this, you will get 87.5 upon 100. Now how to solve this? This MP will go here. Cross multiply. 100 will go here. Now this 87.5 will come down. MP. When you do the cancellations, when you solve this, you will get the answer as 1848, the mark price. That is your final answer. Understood? See, I will again tell you to see this video 2-3 times to understand the steps. You have to remember the steps. These questions are very long, very lengthy, so you must know. Okay. Next, the 14th sum. Sarita gives a discount of 15% sold by her and still gets a profit of 13. Profit percent is given as 13 1/3%. What is the cost price of the article whose mark price is 3200? Now in this question, discount profit is given, cost price is not given, but mark price is given. Okay, so mark price पहले ही दिया है और cost price ढूंढना है. So पहले mark price का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? SP/MP equals 100 minus discount upon 100. Using this formula, I will find the SP. Okay, let's find 3200 equals 100 minus 15 upon 100. So SP is this 3200 will go here. 100 minus 15 is 85. 0 cancel. 85 into 32. You will get 2720 as the SP. So selling price is this much. Now we have to find the cost price. So use that formula, SP upon CP. These formulas are very important. This SP upon MP formula and SP upon CP formula. And there is a profit. So 100 plus profit upon 100. Okay. So SP is 2720 upon CP equals 100 plus. See, profit is 13 1/3. 13 1/3 means 3 13s are 39 plus 140. This is 40/3%. This is mixed fraction, so solve it and make it like this, 40/3. Then 100 plus 40/3 upon 100. Take LCM here. 3 into 100, 300. Upon 100. So this will become 340. And this 3 and this 100 will get multiplied. And it will become 300 upon CP. Now cross multiply. And this 340 will come down. Make the cancellation here. This will get divisible by 17. So therefore, when you solve this, you will get the answer as 2400 as the cost price. Okay, that will be like the 17 2s are 17 160, then 8 ones are 2 ones are 2 8s are, so 80 into 3 is this 800 actually. So 800 into 3 is 2400. This was the 14th sum. Okay. Now we have completed 1 to 14 sums, and the last sum, 24th sum, omit it. Okay, what is left? 15 to 23. That is 9 sums. Okay, these 9 sums I'll do it in next video. That's it for today. Thank you. Pause the video. See, if you feel that I'm solving fast, you can pause the video, solve yourself, and then copy. Okay, but copy each and every step properly. Rewind the video and see again if you don't understand. That's it for today. Thank you.